Hello guys, my name's Elias here. Today I'm going to show you how to get an almost free phone. If you have a broken phone, just put it in the computer writer. And this is a tutorial how to pick it. First of all, put up this. You insert phone. See a broken iPhone here. Freaking cool pictures. Just put it in here. It's really important to put the button this position, like this, like so. Then close it. Then you turn it on. Push the button, and then really soon important. Here you got the free, almost free. No, this is a completely new phone. Yeah. Thanks for scrubbing, watching. Please, I'm hoping for another 10 likes. 10 likes more than the last video. That's been 10 likes. Have a good night. It's Elias here.